Hello, hi, Xposed. The name is Ben Pro. Subscribe, share. Many two mana Unsa Akadi. Kennedy Akupreku Ejapo. He's in the news for the good reasons. The next president of the Republic of Ghana. Welcome. Honorable Kennedy Ejapo. Watch your company so the list goes on and on. He's not only an entrepreneur, he's not only a businessman, he's a smart man. This is a man I want as a president. I don't care what you say. I don't care what you say he has told you. So why Jimmy to know want to ask possible. Yeah, when you go to the companies that Honorable Kennedy Japan, Imra.
Okay.
When you go to the media, you have the Ken City media.
Yep.
You have Net2 TV, Oman FM, Ash FM, and NAP Radio. Okay. When you go to the coastal, you have Asempa, Adishiman, Adipa, Agbinepa. That gives you 61,000 tons. I have steel plant, and I'm trying to buy another one. I have equipment, heavy duty equipment, ADTs for mining companies called Coastline Logistics. Okay, I have the plant with electricity, cables, street lights, and all those things. Hibis, magnolia, cactus, all of them are there. But you might not even know that is for me. Okay, so I have about, in total, 16 companies.
How do you manage all of these?
If you know where I'm coming from, you will not ask this simple question. I don't want to go back to where I was before. So I'm always thinking about it. Wow. You know, thinking about the business, thinking about it. If you see me buying luxury cars and you want to buy luxury car, do you know my worth? You don't keep up with the Joneses. Just manage the little you have, invest it. A time will come that when you are spending, you don't even feel it. Don't rely on your relatives. No.
Okay.
Don't involve your brothers, sisters, family members in your business, except maybe your children or wife. Because this side of the world, your brother, when you set up your business and leave it in the hands of your brother to manage, he will then take the money and go and establish his own, and yours will collapse. And when you complain, your whole family will go against you. So please, don't get the $1,000. I can work 16 hours and make. Those days that I was hawking on the street, shouting, yes, PK chocolate, Tratranaz, yes. This time, I can go on internet and the same product, I will sell it, I will market it on internet. And use my son as an example. You know, Kenneth now is not doing badly. Look at his age and what he's doing now. But I have to inculcate discipline into, you know, in him. Because initially, he would have been a wayward if I had not been strict. It got to a point where he even told his friends that he doesn't think I'm the real father. Because he wanted to be swollen-headed. But what I have gone through, I will not allow my children to misbehave. If you misbehave, I'll cut you off. Yeah, I'm determined. I said I want to be president of this country, and I'll definitely be president of this country. And the challenges coming from all angles, I'm still not prepared to be a successful businessman. You should have a vision, courage, integrity, humility, foresight, dreams, and cooperation.
Yes, this is the man talking. I am 27. Yes, or a bema, or Shanima, or Jimmy Fu. Obi abawa utimi hwe oba na Jimmy Fu. Yewra Kennedy Japan or your bema. Check the list of the companies. Check the list. And these are multinational companies, rivaling the best in the world. Iti said Yewra Kennedy or Jinamabina or Kasa. He's not saying it for the same sake, but or come because he knows. Yera Kennedy, Obobusia at a point the university, Obana inflation air costra. On him said, I need to tackle. On him said, the city has to be stabilized for me to plan. When ye Obina catch that, Yera Kennedy said, the city is sliming. He's also a businessman. Now, I meet you, I said, I hear a Trump by San Okaya, and I said, you don't know what Trump is doing for America, eh? Let me tell you. No, those who are saying it, let me tell you what Trump is doing. Yeah, Trump. Oh, who said America says we were using blacks name Jimmy Fonti, we're using it. It is saying no, America said, I want my own. Want yes here. I don't want yes here. I say, Kokachre, who president now only Nyansa. No, says the Kuru. San Okachre. I say, Obama you living in hell because what it be? America is for Americans. Is Ghana for Ghanaians? You can be I say the status quo, the standing orders need to change. Companies almost yet more Ghana, almost repeat Ghana. You could see them.
Should have learned from President Donald Trump's decision, where he stopped all the US aids. It tells you that you cannot depend on anybody for your survival except yourself. That is why I believe in pragmatism. We have our gold, our natural resources. As far back as 1894, the agreement between the British and Ghana, and today is only semantics. The words have changed, but the meaning is the same. How can you give your wealth away? All our natural resources, a signed agreement, and you'll be surprised. But they're saying they're going to pay corporate tax of 35% and royalties 10%. And all these companies have never declared profit. Where is the 35% corporate tax? That is the question. And nobody has been bold to challenge this. I will challenge it. If you are going to give us 10%, then reverse it. Give 35% to us as royalties and 10% tax. So that if you don't pay the 10% tax or you don't declare tax, a profit, then you can take the 10%. But the royalties, 25%, we can take. It's the only way we can develop our country. We cannot allow foreigners to take over our country. And in our own country, we behave like slaves. It is not going to happen anymore. Give me opportunity, try me for one term and see the difference I'll make in Ghana. We are in competition in our own country. In business, we are in competition with foreigners, and we are considered underdogs. And laws are made to antagonize Ghanaian businesses, and laws are made as if they are meant for only foreigners. This will change. Amen. We are not poor. We have poor leaders. I have to tell you the truth. That's the gospel truth. We are not poor, but we have poor leaders. We need selfless leaders. We need leaders who care about their country. We need leaders who cares about his neighbor. We don't need leaders who think of their family alone. The country doesn't belong to one person. It belongs to all of us. We should have the piece of the pie by creating an enabling environment for the young, especially the youth of our country.
Now,
Yeah, your friend trade Achuma trade. Damba ewo Achuma trade yeah fish farming womb. Eba ha achepa eba ha be say 20 years ni me ba ha for na nipa me ba no wa dada nti ono no o say oba 20 years ni na nsu no ho me ba nipa kro na akasa no me hu ni da de na oma me ye mo me ye edwuma no mo no ye fe ba no Mr. Isaac enso na akasa no mu de na ma ewo mu no de untimi nkan enso na akasa mu na mo edoso papa ebi nso so pa ena de ye akasa ye no yetimi ye be say 30,000 20,000 ewo cages ni mu enso ewo every year bia na ye no ebi mitimi wu de yare ba na ebi mi wu na ebi mi soka enamom ni nyinam tilapia wo adwene no catfish no ye no ha na sesia no ye biom na ye besa ahase adwene no sirenti adinte giant say ye obi a opai adwene no oyi bema no sperms na oyi oba no kosua na o mixa to sunum na apai na nipa ko na obeye sa adwuma no onyamba ye entia enti se ye be ya this ye koto no baby eba ere so na ye ka enti na ye twen ni
here obi a obeka se enough is enough ye here obi a sabe time we mu a ye wey obetimi aka kire ye say Ghana needs to have what it needs to have. Your mineral resources, we need to take them back. We need to nationalize them. Companies on Ghana are ripping it off because most of our leaders have connived with them to rip Ghana off. That thing has to change. Sika say Ghana from corporate world, Ghana is not getting. Because Obi Akwaje kickback ewe chire. Kuku no mo ya wani no e chwa kwa no Akwaje kickback o. Yera can do so bad, it won't happen. Corporate profit will declare, you declare, and you pay what is due to Ghana. It means Ghana is going to become Ghana again. Ghana, we are no more Ghana. Yeah, Ghana and America, et me catch say, yeah, mama 3 months visa, almost a shit country. Yeah, Ghana, after yeah, fighting DSTV to price so. Almost ye ninya sabia. It is time to make Ghana great again. Until America tell say we are delegate and ye and now and you obi oni mathematics, oni economics and you no dey help ye obi or ye what pragmatic or ye realistic or you obi oni fam. En koto abafon wa o da che mo mabe bre. Ya bread do Ghana for. Ya bread do. It is time. I didn't remember be a obetimi asesa many because baby a Ghana kono enye won na ese Ghana ko Ghana ya to nsuo. Enye galamsey. Pedifona no mtu galamsey. NPP bomo say, oh ye jai enko baby a NDC ba the same thing. And let the impedifo NDC impedifo say NDC for the cry galamsey di bi. Is it a kind of presidency that we need? Yeah, you'll be a body and never see them. I declare from henceforth, if you go to the forest, if you go to the river, I'll shoot you. No, I'm not ordered to the military. Go and shoot them. Me, sir president, be na me pe. Obia Obeba Ghana, corporate world will be afraid of Ghana. Because Ghana no sapine, Uba na the paper betre, na by virtue of foreign entity, near mass as kakraka, ye juma or simi to me here. Successive government from MPP to NDC. Omo the year you crow I could see a wa yetacha. And the map foreigners omni kobo. Mina make a show. E be ye na Ghana won kom. Ya Ghana abro. And when I'm here, appointment committee was here, your better Susano, or Gina Ho, yes, Papa knew your okra be 2 years in Papa no will not pay. And this is thousands of them. Why are we ripping Ghana? Now, not Tijuana, now MPs in the system, now Papa way. And when they say more fun straight foreign squad. Because you pass it, well, yeah, on my before. Say I'm yenye bibia chere Ghana fo a Ghana yentimi koyanim. It's high time Ghana ese pagya yon baby efi no na yakọ baby because ya bre asoman. Eno na yewura Kennedy wase maba me beye no ma yie. Kokọ da John adoso. Ye da na adoso. It is time to move ahead. Ya move ahead. Ni etenam say ya de bebre. I Xposed HFM members subscribe share. We need 2 man as I can be man noise.